The art of crafting dental crowns, from preparation to placement. If you are looking to restore teeth that are damaged or worn out, dental crowns are considered to be one of the common options that dentists recommend. Custom-designed crowns are created to shield and protect the tooth, which is weak, damaged, or discolored, in addition to increasing its aesthetics and function. The process of making dental crowns truly an art and requires the highest level of skill as well as attention to details all the way from start to finish. In this clip in this video, we'll look at an inside glance at the procedure of creating dental crowns, beginning with preparation and ending with placement, and look at the intricate processes involved in the creation of this vital restoration for your teeth. 1. Preparation and examination. The first step of creating the dental crown involves pre-treatment and inspection of the tooth to receive the crown. This includes removing the decay or damages from the tooth, shaping it to allow for the crown, as well as making impressions of your tooth to assure a proper alignment. A dentist can also ensure that the crown with the shade that is natural to your teeth to give a natural and seamless appearance. 2. Fabrication of the crown. When the tooth is cleaned and impressions made, the next step is the creation of the crown. Dental crowns are made using a variety of components that include porcelain, metal, or even a mixture of different materials. Each type of material has its pros and cons, so your choice of materials will determine the individual demands and needs for the person who is getting it. 3. Customization and design. Making a dental crown not merely about making a functional crown, but equally about creating a gorgeous, natural-looking, and healthy-looking dental. The dentist works closely with the dental lab to modify the form of the crown, its size, as well as the color of the crown, ensuring that it is a perfect fit with your existing teeth. The attention to details is vital to ensure the perfect and pleasing final result. 4. Trial and adjustment. When the crown is put in place, a preliminary fitting process is carried out to ensure the crown will fit easily. The necessary adjustments are performed at this time in order to guarantee a perfectly fit and perfect alignment. When the fit is verified and the crown has been polished, it is then smoothed and shaped for the placement. 5. Placement and bonding. The final stage of creating the dental crown involves setting and adhering of the crown on the tooth. Dental professionals carefully position the crown onto the tooth and then secure it into its place with dental cement. The crown is made to be polished and then shaped so that it blends effortlessly with the teeth. This creates the appearance of a natural, harmonious smile. Making dental crowns can be a complicated process that requires a blend of skill in the field, creative vision, as well as attention to the smallest of details. If you follow the instructions previously, dentists are able to create custom-made crowns to help restore the appearance and function of your teeth, and providing long-lasting durability as well as comfortable for patients. If you're in the need of a crown for your teeth or any other restoration for your teeth, make sure to talk with an experienced and certified dentist who can help you through the procedure to help you get the perfect as well as healthy appearance. Be aware that the health of your teeth is an important element of overall well-being. Don't forget about your dental health and consult a dentist when necessary.